Welcome to Money Trader YouTube channel and the stock report for GameStop stock. The report was first published on May 26, 2020, but this is more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell GameStop? In this video, you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental and situation in the additional to the future price prediction. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and a notification bell so you will be the first to know when we post a new update video. Our system currently ranked the GameStop stock with the 3.264 score, and our system has ranked GameStop by candidates since May 26, 2022. Over the next few days, we will see you this evaluation performance in our daily update for GameStop. Our last headline had reads high volatile in GameStop Corporation. Stock price on Thursday, which is ending at $128.46, and the GameStop Corporation stock price gained 11.54% on the last trading day. Thursday, May 26, 2022, rising from $115 to 17 cents and $128.46, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be existing to see whether it managed to continue gaining or next a myriad break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 29.43% from a day low at $144.17, a day high of $148.46. The price has been in sixth of the last 10 days and is up by 43% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has been increased in the last day along with the price, which is positive sign in the total. 4 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 14 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.86 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $344.66 and the lowest price was $77.58. Right now, the price of is 62.73% or $216.20. Below 52-week high and 73% or 354.54 cent below all-time high. January 28, 2021, the price hit $480, $3. The stock lies in the middle of very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall with another trend is single. The current three trend indicate a possible at 6.34% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 49.77% 74.49% 8%. This equal at a price between $32.77 and $116.91 after a target from analytic. GameStop stock receive a general buy rating. The analytic gave a P ratio of a strong buy and the price to be booked at a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analytic gave the GameStop and the neutral rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signal and journal picture. Before we move on, some of the most famous indicate and the signal that will be the deeper and better understanding for the trading possible in the stock. Mostly positive stock in the chart today. The GameStop Corporation stock hold by a signal from both short and long-term moving average, giving a position forecast for the stock. But the stock has general sell signal from the relation between the two signal were the long-term and average of the more above the short-term average on correction down. There will be some support from the lines at $102.18 and $120.88. A breakdown below any of these levels will be issue sell signal. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, May 11th, 2022, and so far it has been raised 57.95%. Further rise is indicate until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a bicycle from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence MACD. Volume is raising along with the price. This is a consideration to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signal you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence hold up by a signal pivot. gave up by a signal 12 days ago, falling or gave up by a signal 143 days ago. The short term moving average for the 3-month chart gave up by signal 3 days ago. A long term moving average for the 3-month chart gave up by signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving average in the 3-month chart gave up by signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12th month chart, we see short moving average gave up by a signal 5 days ago. The long term moving average gave us signal by 2 days ago. Relation between a short and the long moving average gave it by signal 16 days ago. Remember to go to our page at stock invest is us if you find more signal. Support risk and stop loss for the GameStop. GameStop Corporation finds support from the accumulated volume at $123.14, and this level may be hold of buying opportunity as upward reaction can be accepted. When the support is being tested, stock was moved very much during the day volatile with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be a very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $33.76 between high and low, or 29.43 cents. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatile of 17.32%. Next upcoming earning report for Q1 2022 is expected to be released on June 7, 2022. The consultation among the analytics are negative $1.47.5. Here are some possible good day trading level on upturn. GameStop meets first resistance at $141. If you do not hold GameStop share, you should wait for the level of broken before the placing bid. If you already have the stock, which is level, you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, GameStop find first level to support at $123.14, and this was a neutral place to put your bet. If the support hold with an expectation of rebound support in a table, we have listed other potential swing trade level based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average rating combined from several analytics sources for the GameStop is buy. Here are some analytic insider trade on March 24, 2022. LEDR Land made a inside by 1,500 of class of a common stock. On March 22 and 2022, Sega's Age Dyna made an inside trade of 743 of class of common stock. And other also are several insider trade which will be happen in this stock, and in total the insider bought was 45 lakh 9,099, and the sold was 25 lakh 97,708 share in the last 100 trade. Our recommendation stop loss is $123.45. So I ended the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.